Hello, my name is Helen. I'm a celebrity stylist and I also offer concierge services all over the world. I specialize in non-surgical hair replacement and hair extensions for women of all different nationalities. Whether you're a woman suffering from severe hair loss or a woman looking for more volume, length, body to your hair, there's help for you. Today's topic is how to keep your hair extensions soft. The one on my right is great. The one on my left is a prime example of a no-no. This happens when there's not enough care or not enough know-how on how to take care of your extensions. Today I want to teach you how we achieve that. This is a prime example of what can happen when an extension is treated wrong and you don't know what to do. So let me show you how to pre-soften this. You take your conditioner and you wipe it onto the extension, starting from the bottom, and you're working your way up. It looks like it's a mess, but don't worry about that. It can be no more messy when you see that matting that occurs. Don't let it scare you. There is a way to get it combed out. This is called a loop brush, so you can purchase this at any beauty supply house. And this is the brush you need, the tool. Not a comb, but a brush. You want to start from the bottom up to brush the extension so the hair breaks free. And when I say from the bottom up, start from the bottom up. Never go into the root of the extension and try to brush down. You see what can occur. You're going to cause more matting. So we want to start from the bottom up because remember, this is 100% human dead hair. It has no life. There's nothing that can be brung into this hair but a good conditioner to help it break free. And then at this point, ladies, voila. Remember, ladies, after the process of blow drying and conditioning, the extension looks as though the problem never happened. Always remember that the tools that you use are just as important as the extension process that you're wearing. If you'd like to learn more about how my customized hair replacement and hair extension, contact me at www.hersecrethairextensions.com.